Do you love chocolate, Abby?
Yes.
We both love chocolate so much, we had to come to this cacao farm in Cavite. The farm is called Dariano Cacao Farm. It is here in Cavite, just 1 hour from Manila, so it's super close to those in the metro area. We came here to learn more about where the chocolate we love comes from. And since cacao is grown so prevalently in the Philippines, it's a super easy reach to get to if you're anywhere in the country. So come learn more about cacao and chocolate with us at Dariano Cacao Farm. Let's go.
Let's go.
Yeah, these geese are saying hi to the visitors. It's nice of them, I guess. Ooh, don't hurt me. Hello. Geese make me nervous. Unfortunately, I messed up the audio recording on this part. So let me introduce Leia Dariano, one of the owners of this cacao farm. She told us that the farm started in 2015 and is only about 1 hectare in size, but has well over 1,000 cacao trees, plus more crop plants such as durian and coconut. Then she explained to us that they process and sell 100% chocolate tablea while also catering farm tours, cacao picking, and chocolate making demos to the general public. Well, great. Well, let's do the tour. Let's learn more about cacao.
Cacao pods, it's still baby as this size, very small. So this small would take 6 months to grow and to get ready to pick.
And you said these were the flowers?
Yeah, one of the flowers there.
So that's
not yet bloom.
Right, that's what turns into the pods?
Yes.
Incredible. They're tiny. These are the blooming flowers.
Yeah.
Only 1%, you say, turn into pods.
Of all the flowers. Not all will pollinate.
Oh, we have a newborn.
Are they ostrich?
No, they're not
Turkey.
ostrich.
Turkey. Ay. Ala.
Thanksgiving dinner.
Ay, wag.
We get them every year, but sometimes there's just got these cacao trees have low-hanging leaves.
When I let it grow, it can grow until as height as a 2-story building.
Really?
Yeah.
So that's why you prune the top of it. I see.
So I can reach the cacao pods every time I harvest.
After a tour around the farm, it was time to pick a few of the cacao pods. Do we have a ripe fruit here? Ripe cacao pod? Like they attach themselves really nice to the tree, so
Yeah, that's
here we go.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
that's
It's a beaut.
nice and big.
Mwah.
What?
That we have other cacao pods there. Pick all your
Got an orange one here. Abby's gonna pick that.
Oh, easy.
Easy peasy. This one? Alright. Chocolate!
Chocolate.
Chocolate in its rawest form.
Wow.
We've got a harvest. After that, Leia took us inside for a demonstration on how they process the cacao from the pod to a finished chocolate product. So this is where the processing happens.
Let's put all the cacao pods here. Do open. Taste also.
Ah, when it's not yet dry.
Yes. The materials we need to start the fermentation process. Okay. Like this.
Wow.
You can feel it's already cracked.
And it's perfect.
That is good. It's much more juicier.
All right.
Harder.
Ah, there you go.
It's juicy.
Yeah.
Wow. I feel like a cacao warrior. Is that a thing?
Wow.
Ooh.
Wow.
How is it?
Ooh, it's fragrant. It's beautiful.
Why don't you try taste? The juicier is together.
So this is what the cacao fruit is like. It's the seed inside the fruit that's what turns into chocolate. Yes. The fruit is edible. It's sweet and sour.
Almost all these are perfect. Like, it's good. Fermentation process starts by collecting all the wet beans from the cacao pods. We open
Okay.
and collect.
Satisfying.
Satisfied.
Because they're just from a flower
And then it will turn, after 6 months, it will turn to this kind of
The
Galing.
tiny flower turns into that huge pod.
very huge pod.
Nature's amazing.
Yes. So after collecting all the wet beans, all we have to do is cover this with banana leaves. And then after 2 days, you have to check and look for the changes in color, and then mix all the beans, and then leave it again for another 2 days until 7 days. So after that, we have to put on a solar dryer for sun drying for about 7 days also.
Oh, this is where the beans dry.
This is the real cacao bean.
Good.
Dried. That is dried. This is now ready to roast. In a few minutes, you can smell the smell.
This is the roast.
This is the
That's the roasted beans.
Then you can start removing the shell. And then you will get the cacao nibs. Cacao nibs is this one. And this shell, like this one, is used for cacao tea. I put these shells in a tea
Yes.
bag, and then that is also another product to sell. It's 10 pesos.
Boy, nothing goes to waste.
Yeah. The next step is the grinding process. The grinding process is by using the manual grinder here.
Oh, this grinder. I'll be giving it a try. Yeah, smells very roasty. Getting tired.
So when you put this on a refining machine, and it will turn to this liquid chocolate. That's
So you don't add water or milk or anything. That's just
no milk, no sugar.
it just turns into that if you grind it up fine enough. That's crazy.
Roasted cacao bean.
It's so beautiful. Like it's
Additional.
just shimmering. It's nothing but cacao beans. Ooh, okay.
Wow, bitter.
I have to refine this for 72 hours.
72 hours in this machine.
Yes. So
Kaloka.
from after this, you can take this into Italia. That is good for our skin. That is not a waste.
Hey, I wouldn't mind bathing in that. This is for tablea.
Yes, for the
Okay.
day only.
100%
Yeah,
chocolate.
100%. After that, now it's your turn.
Once the liquid chocolate is poured into the molds, it goes into the fridge to cool and harden. I did have a question. Like you said, during the high season, you get a lot more pods.
More pods.
So who handles the workload when that happens? Is it just you and...
Yeah, it's me, and I have 2 more staff here in the farm. So all the harvesting should be at least every week. So every week we have to collect at least 500 cacao pods, sometimes more than if it's peak season. This is the off-peak season. The flowers bloom during rainy season, and then the season for picking is burr months, starting September, October, November, until December is okay. This rainy season, the buds or the small cacao started to bloom, to grow. Holder here, 1, 2, 3.
Boom. And that's tablea. This one came out of the fridge. That's not the one we just did. Talk about dark chocolate. That's 100% dark chocolate.
Yeah, there's no additional. There's no sugar or milk.
What would you put tablea in?
Champurrado.
Champurrado, of course. Hot chocolate.
Ice mocha.
Yeah, maybe in your coffee. So this is the cacao with milk and sugar. What we normally know as chocolate. So smooth. This makes me so happy. Really good. Yeah, not too sweet, but it's very smooth.
It's more than 80% chocolate.
And just into the fridge. And finished chocolate bars.
Tastes like mint.
Lint? Talaga?
Right?
Ooh, feels smooth already. I love the texture.
Diba? Sarap.
It's delicious. This is what we call tree to bar chocolate, all in one location.
Yeah.
That
Just come visit Dariano Farm.
this is like one of the best chocolates I've ever had. It hasn't left this location. No trucks, no superstores. This is a really special experience. And the chocolate is delectable. Now, of course it melts in your mouth, but it like distributes over your whole mouth. It's like a coating of chocolate inside your mouth. That's the experience. Melting in my fingers too. So delicate.
Cacao tea.
Cacao tea, yes. Champurrado.
Filipino breakfast, but it's almost lunch.
Yeah.
2 tablea, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and hot water. Boiled is prepared, and this will melt. This is instant chocolate drink. You don't have to cook.
Best kind of instant chocolate. Champurrado. Rice porridge with chocolate. Delicious.
I actually like the tea.
Oh yeah. Good. Have to come experience this because everything is just awesome.
I sometimes buy some pods from other farms, so it's still not enough for the stocks because the demand is very high. So I cannot provide all the demands they need. Local and international is very high.
So it's just the tablea?
Yeah, just the tablea I make here in the farm, and it's only available here. I am not selling online or outside.
What do you wish people, the general public, knew more about chocolate?
Chocolate is a superfood, and it has a lot of nutritional benefits that you can get from the beans alone. The cacao tea has a good for your sleep and for your kidney. Has an iron, magnesium. There's a lot of nutritional value you can get from chocolate.
I appreciate you sharing the experience with us.
Wow.
So that was a really cool experience, really special. Just seeing where chocolate comes from seed to tree to pod to seed again, and then dried and then crushed, and
And refined.
I really didn't know what all went into making chocolate, but now I'm super educated and I have a bigger appreciation for the chocolate that I consume now.
I like the goose. And the turkey. This is my first time seeing a live turkey. I thought they're ostrich.
They have turkeys, not ostriches here. If you want to come to Dariano Cacao Farm and experience this for yourself, you can message them on their Facebook page. That's the best way to get a hold of them. I will link it below. And yeah, ask them about all their options available. We'll definitely come back and experience more of what they have to offer here. Leia is lovely and the place is lovely. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, subscribe and click the thumbs up. We'll see you the next time in the Philippines. Ciao.
Bye.
This may be prettier. Char.